How to change PHP version by CloudLinux Selector in DirectAdmin. We assume you have already logged into your DirectAdmin account. In the Extra Features section, click Select PHP version. You can see the current PHP version of the domain, example.com. Ignore this warning as it is related to the set version, that is the native version of PHP. Click to open the drop-down list of available PHP versions, and select the required version. Click Set as Current. Success! We have changed the PHP version via CloudLinux Selector. We will learn about these modules in other tutorials. Thank you for watching.